Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here to that display section, then scroll all the way down and tap to the screen record. Here you'll see the resolution section, just switch it by this way. So we can switch it by highest just to the lowest. Also we can open the screen recording settings by the second way. Just first open the notification panel, and after that you'll see here the screen record icon. Just hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen record settings, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.